Hi friends, I am Shiva. In this session, we will discuss error trophic functions. The error trophic functions is consisting error SQL code and SQLERRM. SQL code is generate the predefined error number. So this SQLERRM is generate the predefined message. Whatever the message is allocating to predefined Oracle errors, that suitable error message will be generated. So now see how the SQL code and SQLERRM will be working. You will see. Now see, this is SQL 001422. This predefined error number. This is generated by Oracle. This predefined error number is generated by Oracle. So this error number will be generated by using SQL code. These two are predefined functions. These two are predefined error trophic functions. By using this SQL code, we can know what kinds of error will be generating. That predefined error number we can know. This 0110142 error number we can know by using SQL code. And SQLERRM, how it will be working, you will see. By using SQLERRM, that will be generated by using SQLERRM, that will be generate this plain text message. This message will be generated by Oracle for the suitable error number of 01422. So now by using this SQLERRM, we will know this text message. Whatever the text message is allocating to in this Oracle predefined Oracle number, that text message we will know by using this SQLERRM. Okay, for that this error trophic function is introduced to predefined SQL trophic functions. Okay, now see, you have to observe in this example for the SQL code. Now see, declare, in the declare session I declare one PLSQL variable, that is v underscore shal and data type number data type and size is 10. Number data type and size is 10. Now in the begin statement I used select the statement, select shal into v underscore shal from emp1. In the emp1 table, whatever the shal values you have, entirely the shal values are storing into in this single PLSQL variable. Then I want to display on the PLSQL environment. So I am using this statement, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Using this statement, so I mention this variable. Okay, whatever the values are retrieved from this column, so entire values are storing in this PLSQL variable. So that same variable name I mention here. Okay, so now see, till this one I copy and execute, then we'll discuss in this part. Okay, so first we will execute in this part. Okay, now go to what tool. So now end the program. Now see, we got this error 01422 error we got, and for the suitable message extract fetch returns more than requested number of rows. So this is a predefined message. This message allocating to predefined error number. This error number and error message generated by Oracle. Okay, this is a suitable error message and this is the error number. In this error number we are assigned the Oracle will be assigned this message. When this kinds of error will be generated, this message should display. So for that the Oracle will be created this format. Okay, so why this error will be getting means, so according to in this program, the select statement is written only one value and one entire record, but it will not generate the single select statement, multiple values and multiple rows it will not generate. So that this message the Oracle will be generate this error. Now see, for handling in this, I want to know whenever we are writing this program, I want to know what error will be occurred by executing this program. For that, we are going to implement the exception. In the exception spot, we are use the SQL code. Okay. So I want to know this only the error number, predefined error number only I want to know. For you want to know, for that what you will do? You have to use the SQL code function. This code function is a predefined error traffic function. By using this one, we can know what error will be occurred. That error number only will that will be generated by using the SQL code. So that I implemented in the exception session. In the exception session, I implemented when others then class. In this class, we are using this statement dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. In this statement, I used SQL code predefined function error traffic function. By using this error traffic function, within when others then class, it will be generate the error number only. Whatever the errors you will be getting by executing this program, that error number only will display on the PLSQL environment. For that this SQL code will be introduced. Okay, now see the same program, copy and go to our tool and paste. Now see, in the previous this one and this one, the same program, this same program, this one also same program, and I added additionally this exception part. So when will be getting these errors, I want to display only the error number. So for that I implemented this exception part. In the exception part, I implemented when others then class. In that class, used this statement dbms underscore output dot put underscore line this statement. In this statement, I used this error traffic predefined function. I used SQL code. By executing this SQL code, it will generate the only the predefined error number. Whatever the errors will be occurred in this program, in that program error number only generate without this plain text message. So it will generate only 01422. This number only will generate. For knowing purpose, the SQL code will be introduced. Okay, and these SQL code and SQLERRM predefined error traffic functions we may used in exception session and executable session also. Is it possible for using that? Okay, now so this is the example for SQL code used in the PLSQL programs. Okay, now see, other example you have to observe the same this program. So begin, in the begin statement, delete from DEPT, delete from DEPT, delete it, I am deleting this department number, department table. So what is happen, you have to see. So I am try to deleting this table, this error will be raising. Thus integrity, this is a error number 02292 error. This is a predefined error number. So generated by Oracle, and this is a suitable of text message. This text message allocating to this error number. When this error number will be raising, for the suitable message will be generated. This entire things generated by Oracle when this error will be getting. Okay, so this is the integrity constraints violated, child record found. Because why getting this error means this table is consisting foreign key, so that we are unable to delete this table, so that this message will be generated by Oracle. Okay, now see what will happen. For overcoming in that, I want to know. So now you have to see in this 2292, error number is 2292. So I implemented here same program here, begin delete from DEPT. When getting this error, so the moment I implemented this exception part. In the exception part, I used when other than class. In this class, I used this SQL code. If the SQL code equal to minus 2292, then by using this statement, I should display this plain text message. Not to delete master record, the message should display. Okay, now see. Thus, whatever the errors previously, whatever the errors you got, 02292, the same error number you can take from that, and you have to use. You can allocating to. So now this error number, checking the condition. This number when this error will be getting, try to executing that program. So when getting this error number, I need to display this plain text message instead of this message. Error number is same I should generate, but instead of this error message, I want to display the plain text message. This message I want to display, not to delete master record. So right here, child record. Not to delete child record, I should display this plain text message. Okay, so now see here used if, so that I used here end if. So I used here begin session, so that I used end session the program. Okay, the same program will be copy and executing in the real time environment. Now see, now you got now when getting this error, the moment we should generate this message. Now you have to observe in this, not to delete child record, the message will be generated. So you have to observe in the above program, in this program. Try to deleting in this program. So we got this errors 02292 and integrity constraints violated, child record found. So instead of this message, so this message we displayed. Okay, not to delete child record. When getting this, when the condition is true, when getting these errors, then I should display this message. So now here displayed, the condition is true, then display this message. So this is the one of the example for using the SQL code. Okay, now now go to SQL ERRM. How we can use that, we'll see. This example for SQL ERRM. This example for SQL ERRM. So you have to see this one. By using this SQL ERRM, I want to know the message of Oracle error. Now see, in this, by using SQL code, by using SQL code, we know error number, but I want to know this text message also. I want to know whatever the predefined message the Oracle will be introduced for the suitable error number. This error name or the error message also I want to know. For that, what I will do? How is it possible for knowing for that? That is possible by using SQL ERRM. Now see, you have to observe in this example. So in this example, begin. In the begin, I used this statement dbms underscore output underscore line. In that, I used SQL ERRM. So this predefined function, what is generating? This predefined function is generating this text message. Whatever the predefined text message is introduced by the Oracle for the suitable of this error number, this text message will be generated by using SQL ERRM. So the moment you have to mention in the predefined error number, there only we can know what is the predefined text message will allocating to in this error number. So that I want to know this error number, which text message is assigned to the Oracle. For knowing that the SQL ERRM is introduced. So now see, so now we will know, so which is the text message is allocating to in this predefined error number. So now see, as a practically, so copy this one, go to our tool. Now the same program paste here. Now see, 02292. So sorry, here minus 2292. Now so see 02292. This is a predefined error message. This is the suitable of the text message. This is the text message is given by Oracle. So this text message is assigning into predefined error number. This is generated by Oracle. Okay, for knowing these kinds of text message for the suitable predefined error number, if you want to know, that is possible by using SQL ERRM predefined function. Then we can know. Okay, for that, this is the introduce of SQL ERRM. Okay, now see. So let's we go to the other session in this session. This is a SQL code returns values, and this is the meanings. This 0, this is a error number. This is a predefined error numbers. In all databases, these are the fixed error numbers: 0, minus, negative v minus, and 100, 1. For the suitable messages, no errors. When getting this error number and error number is 0, this is a suitable error message. Generating that message is no errors. When we are getting negative, the Oracle error. When getting 100, no data found. When getting one error number, user defined exception. These all predefined errors. In all databases, these errors are common. So these errors are find ANSI ISO is introduced these errors, so that these errors are same error and same message in all database is same. Okay, so this is a 0, this is a suitable error message minus then this message allocating to in this 100. When getting 100 error, this is the same text message will be generated by the Oracle. So that this is all are ANSI ISO is allocating to the particular error number and error message. Okay, now see, so other example for SQLERRM. So you have to observe this one also. I want to know which is the message, which is the text message allocating to the Oracle error number of 0. This is a SQLERRM. So this is the SQL code. In that SQL code of the place I used error number, that is 0. Okay, so I mentioned. Then I want to know when getting the error, number is 100. So which text message will be allocating to in this error number? So I want to know. So his number is 1. So I want to know which is the plain text message will allocating to in this error number of 1. I want to know for that by using SQLERRM. Now see, the same program, copy this one. Okay, go to our tool, you have to see. Now we'll display it. Now dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, this is the statement. In this statement I used SQLERRM, the 0. The Oracle error number is 0. So see, 0 number, the message is normal and successful completion. This is a suitable of error message. So when getting 100, now see 01403, no data found. So when getting 100 error number also same this number. So this is the ANSI ISO number, ANSI ISO error. This one also PLSQL introduce error number. This both are text message is same. So that, so actually we are using this SQL plus tools, so that it is generated the Oracle number. Okay, now error number is 1. So that suitable the text message is user underscore defined exception. This is the message. Okay, these are the used for the error traffic function. Okay, these are the used for error traffic function in the PLSQL programs. So this error traffic function used in unnamed exceptions also is it possible. Okay, so thanks for watching my classes. If you likes my classes, please subscribe my channel and share and comments on that.